These drone photos of a speedboat observing tidal pools are certainly making waves. Lithuanian photographer Giedrius Achilles captured a speedboat in Saltstraumen getting up close and personal with the world's strongest tidal pools. The tidal pools in Saltstraumen go at a speed of 23 miles per hour, forcing 400 million cubic meters through a 490-foot wide 1.86 mile long strait every 6 hours. Achilles spent around 2 days surveying the area and was overjoyed with the result. The photographer said the pictures compare the power of nature and human life. Achilles commented to SWNS, "It gives a sense of how we as people are small and helpless before nature."